This was difficult, but I am going to show you how I changed my potted cactus without getting stung on the spikes. Welcome to my Plants and Me channel. This cactus is getting a new pot today. I've been wanting to change it for some time, and today you will follow this process with the tools I have at home. Watch this video until the end for the final results, and don't forget to subscribe below, like the video if you enjoy it, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. It's last moments on this home, and let's repot it to a new pot so it can have more space to grow and expand since this cactus is already falling down this one. Stay with me until the final transformation of this beautiful weird form cactus. And here it is, the final result. It definitely has more space to grow. I can break a piece from there and put it on the same pot so it can grow a pattern and looks a little bit more full. I'm happy with the results. I didn't stung my fingers or my arms. All the spikes stayed on the cactus and I didn't get hurt. And it looks much better right now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. If you'd like to get more videos like this or with more plants, please do not forget to subscribe this channel, leave your comment, leave your like. See you in the next video.